What's up, homies? Hope you are well. Muro here, back again with a new update, and you should watch my update videos as well because I leak alpha in these videos, as you might have noticed. So let's check this recent price action, guys. This consolidation and this whole uptrend have been so nice to me, guys. This strategy that I have been sharing with you is working so well, and I caught a lot of good trades and I posted some of them, and I also get a lot of DMs. People are trading with it successfully, but I also get a lot of DMs from people, beginners, who try to understand and don't understand what is going on. Let me be honest with you guys, these things are not for beginners. So if you are a beginner, then you should try to understand first, watch all that content, look at the price action, don't trade, don't invest big because you're a beginner, and this content is not for beginners, really. Okay, this is for people who trade and tried many things. This is for them because this is actually something that is next level. Okay, this is game changing. What I am teaching here is not normal. It is something that wasn't there before. Okay, and yeah, I know you are waiting for new tutorials, guys, but have patience because I am backtesting a few things and it's amazing. Okay, I have a new type of engulfing pattern that I will release, and I have to backtest it a bit more. And yeah, don't worry, I will keep doing videos, but you know, guys, these things are absolutely amazing. So the price came down here into this zone of demand, and I did post this trade. After taking out these highs, price dropped but immediately bounced back up here, and I did post this nice trade on Twitter with a tight stop below this zone. I did target 9,200. okay, gave me a 6-hour trade. I could have targeted the highs, of course, for 13-hour, but I went to bed and I was happy with the 6-hour trades. And I didn't expect it to go up immediately, to be honest, but it did. And next day I woke up and I posted that I market long Bitcoin here and target 10K. Let's look where that is. I posted that somewhere. Yeah, my Twitter is such a mess recently. Here, market longed, let's go 10K. This is the time. So here, 12 here. Reason for me was that I hold on. Was that I had a structure in the smaller time frame, and hold on, let's look at it actually. So here is a bearish engulfing that has been broken there, pretty clean break. Okay, so this zone is invalid now, it has no more value for us, but now we know that there's a potential setup for us, right? So we look for engulfing structures. We have here one, and then we have here one. Ideally it's this one because this is the one that started the whole move. So here you have a basing but no engulfing, and this one here is the perfect zone. And this is also where I woke up to this. So I saw that this zone here, and this is a small time frame, guys. So when you take this engulfing candle, you can also draw it like this, right? And even like this. To be ultimately safe, you can draw it like this. So here is engulfing. This is engulfing, simple as that. Okay, and price was here, and I market long, and I posted that, and my target was 10K. I also posted this chart, I think. So if you had market long with me, because after I posted that, the price was here and consolidating, and then in the same day price went to 10K. 13-hour trade. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. Even the price, if you had missed too long with me and later on the price came down into this nice zone of demand here. Okay, rally base rally here, rally base rally, and then the price wicked into this zone. So when you see the price going up like this and you missed it, you don't have to FOMO buy. You look for the first zone where you can maybe potentially get an entry, and that is here, right? So you could have tried to enter here, you would have gotten that entry. Simple as that, guys. This is supply and demand. And then when the price reached 10k, let's remove all the drawings here. We had a high, then we had a low. You remember in my video I told you to do this here. When you have a high, mark it. When you have a low, mark that level for later see the consolidation better. You can also draw a supply zone here. So then after the price was here and then started to go down, you can of course go into the smaller time frame, guys, and look for bearish engulfing structures and all that. And now I will tell you something new. All right, bearish engulfing structures. So you have here one, you have a bearish engulfing here, then you have a bearish engulfing here, you have a bearish engulfing here, right? And guys, bearish engulfing is basically a reversal pattern. Okay, this is what they are used for normally. They are reversal patterns. So when you had this uptrend and you start to see this bearish engulfing here and then here and then later on here, this is basically you have a downtrend. During a downtrend, you will see a lot of bearish engulfing structures. Okay, similar to uptrend here. Look at this: bullish engulfing, bullish engulfing, bullish engulfing. In an uptrend, you will see a lot of bullish engulfing structures, and same for the downtrend. When the price then reached this low here, this consolidation low, because we had marked it, right? What do you have here? Look at this. Is this a surprise for us, guys? This candle here? Actually no, right? We know what this is. We have seen this motherfucker before, right? This one? You know what this is. I don't have to tell you, guys. This is something that comes again and again. This is not magic. This is what we trade every day. Yes, this is a fucking bullish pin bar candle. So it is not a surprise. Took out the low here, right? And then it was pretty obvious, guys, that the price would reverse and go back to the highs. This is a consolidation. Price went into that zone of supply. We had a lot of bullish engulfing structures on the way up, and then you start to see bearish engulfing structures. Here, this is the first one. Okay, here another one, and then price came down here because here you have a small chain event. Look at this, a small event like this. Bearish engulfing had been broken and wicked into this zone here, and then it went back up. But then when it reached this zone here, I mean, yeah, this is the supply zone. I don't have to draw a new one here. The price then again bearish engulfing, and so on until it reached the low again. Did show reaction first, came into this zone of supply, bearish engulfing, and then bearish engulfing, and so on, until it then broke down here, and motherfuckers who did short from here start to take profit, because now they have the sell orders in the market from all the people who longed here. When the price breaks down, they stop out their trades, and when they stop out their long trades, they have to sell. So here you have a lot of sell orders entering the market. Also, the breakout traders who see that the price is breaking down here start to short. Okay, the FOMO traders are entering short positions because they see the price is going down, and then you have more sell orders in the market. And those who did short from above, from here, now have enough opposite orders in the market to take profits, because they need sell orders from the opposite side to take profits for their sell trades. So when you have a short position, you need sell orders in the market to take profits from them. And that's what they had here. And this is what happened. This is profit taking. This is a profit taking pin bar candle. This is not a new trades pin bar candle. So then again, here, this is profit taking. Right in the middle of nowhere, you see this, you have nothing here, nothing, not even in the 5 minute, I think. No, only bullish candles. And then price comes back into this untested zone of demand, this little motherfucker here, because in the 15-minute time frame, when you have a zone which is a fresh zone, this is still a fresh zone, guys. 10 and 15-minute zones can be used for 3 or 4 days. They are still considered as valid zones, especially when they have not been tested. So you can use them for 3 or 4 days. It is not a strict rule, but I don't want to use 15-minute or 10-minute zones when they are more than 1 week old. Then it's too long. Okay, it is not in our time frame anymore. But 3 days, 4 days, it's okay. And this is 2 days actually here. Okay, this zone has been formed, and 2 days later the price wicks into that zone, actually comes into it, and then shows reaction. Clear so far? And I did long here today when I was outside in the park, and the price went up nicely. So targeting this bearish engulfing zone here was a 6-hour trade. This one here, this bearish engulfing zone, was a 4-hour trade, and so on. All right, so now price did reverse from this zone of supply, but we had an event here. So this zone, this bearish engulfing zone, was broken, but unfortunately we don't have a clean engulfing zone here. Unfortunately, you don't have a clean engulfing zone here, and this is too close. This is already in the zone. This is not what I want to take, and as you see, it wouldn't have worked anyway. But if I had a clean zone here, but I don't have it, yes, in the 10-minute time frame you have something here, so the price might actually come down to here, and this is 9,560, around 9,550, something like that. Price actually might come down here, and I would expect reaction. But I did long here again. I did re-enter my long here. If the price comes down here, it's okay for me, because I don't always have to catch 10-hour or 20-hour trades. Sometimes I scale into positions for 2-hour, for 4-hour trades as well. It's okay for me. Okay, yeah. You have to manage your position size and risk management properly, so then it's okay. So if you take this trade like this here, if you enter here, let's see here, right, and target the engulfing zones from the H1 time frame. So this is the first one here. You have a 6-hour trade. If you target the next one, which is here, this one here, you would have 0.5 hour trade, and this one is a 9 hour trade, and this one is 13 hour trade. Okay, this is how it works, guys. This is supply and demand. You trade from zone to zone. You don't care about the trend. A trend is not important. We are trading from zone to zone. This is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yes, the price might go down here. If it does that, then unfortunately we have a basing zone here, so I wouldn't try to I wouldn't stay in the position, because it is not in my risk to reward system. It is not in my type of trading. If we don't get a reaction here, if the price goes below this zone, I will stop out for a small loss, 1 hour, and try again somewhere else if I see nice reaction, maybe around here, 9,300 again. Okay, and let me check the H4, but I think we will get our reaction at least here. Okay, guys, currently the price is dropping, so maybe we can see it live, but I don't think so. It will probably take a while now until it comes down here, so we don't need to wait. This is it for today. Stay safe out there. See you soon, and yeah, bye bye.